Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here from Halo Inc. and today I'm going to be showing you how to batch export proofs, JPEG proofs from Photoshop. So let's say you're working on a job and you've got multiple PDFs open and they're large PDFs and maybe there's like 20 of them and you don't want to take the time to go file, export, save for web, or even using the shortcut to save that way. There's a much faster way to do this. So what you're going to do is have all of your PDFs open. So you can see that I've got multiple projects open up here. Make sure that it's only the ones that you're trying to export. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Scripts, Image Processor. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you select this Use Open Images right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to select the location that you're saving to. In this case, we're going to go to 7410, which is the order number. So we're just going to go ahead and click there, OK, and save as JPEG. If you wanted to, you could save as other formats, but for all intents and purposes, we're just using JPEG. You could resize if necessary, but it's not necessary right now. Once you've got that all set up, just go ahead and click Run. And it's going to go through all of your open windows and save the JPEGs. And what's really nice is that you don't have to wait for the rendering time like saving for web. What you're going to notice under the order that you, or the folder that you specified it to save to, you're going to get this JPEG folder here. This is going to have all of your proofs ready to go. Thanks for watching.